Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Major update on the Topper Whitmore sacking video that I did earlier. So, apparently, there's a presser out by the coaching staff, and I'm just going to give you guys some information surrounding that presser. But in the meantime, let's do the YouTube stuff. You don't know, go already by hitting this like button, hitting the subscribe button, smash it up, people, mash it up. If you want to support us, there's a link in the comment section and also the description. You can buy us a coffee. Big up, people, massive respect. So there was some breaking news between Sunday and Monday surrounding Topper Whitmore. How can I call it? I said sacking, fired. But apparently, based off the clarification of the presser that came out, he was not sacked, actually. Technically, both the Topper Whitmore and his coaching staff actually walked away from the Mount Pleasant job. Quite interesting, I have to say, quite interesting to me. I've been knowing, say, boy, well, they might get money, they might get, possibly, they might, if I'm being honest, from my research, from what the information that I've gotten, I think the Mount Pleasant coaching staff are the highest paid coaching staff in the Jamaica Premier League. And so, surprised if I walk with, boy, walk left that? I don't know. Anyways, so let me just jump and give us guys some clarity. This is the press release. So apparently, they were employed for 2 years. They were employed for 2 years with the opportunity to extend further, but apparently they did not choose to extend it. Even though both parties, which is the coaching staff and also management, the club management, they agreed that it would be on. They would have already come to an agreement that whichever decision the coaching staff make, they will go with that. So, apparently they walk away. So, he said, I wish to clarify that we had 2-year contracts at our time of signing with the club, which ended June 2024. Both parties agreed on an extension in principle, but in the end, we took a different direction for a few reasons. Why? I want to know the reasons still if you walk from so much from money. But anyways, maybe the conditions are not right, and I'm not sure. I'm quite unsure what the situation is, but it could be that the conditions aren't right. Basically, the news out there is that Harold Thomas, I think he was a TD, would have been the one who's gonna sit at the helm now in the coaching role for Mount Pleasant. Not sure how long he will do that. He will occupy that job, but that one is going to be quite interesting. They also said they are grateful for the opportunity they had, and they wish the club all the best going forward. And they did also in their statement showcase their disgust where the misleading information coming out in the media, and don't know, we see information, everybody has a sack, don't know go, all I media outlets must a sack. So yeah, we our media outlets as well, we did say sack as well, so I don't know. So it's now being clarified that both parties come to an agreement and the coaching staff walked away from the role. No, but in my view, I do think that I still believe that there's more to it, because I don't understand, after having such a successful stint in 2 years, basically the most successful coaching staff the club has ever gotten, and then to in turn just walk away from the job just like that, kind of suspicious. Kind of in a sense to me, to me personally, it's my opinion. I'm not saying that as a fact. In my view, my opinion, what I think that's just really out of pocket. The young people would call it now, out of pocket. But that's what the release came from. They said they want to thank the ownership of the Mount Pleasant Football Academy and football club for the opportunity that they have gotten. And in my view, they have done a brilliant job. I have to say they have done a brilliant job over the 2 seasons that they have been with the club. I actually wanted to see them hold on a bit longer, because I think that they can actually win it a few more times. Now, what you might see, Mount Pleasant kind of just up and down now, because stability is very important where clubs are concerned. But as I said, it's really, really interesting to see how that one go. Nevertheless, part of the business, footballing business, coaches go, coaches stay, management sack coaches, management work out things with coaches. But this time, apparently, the coaches decided that, you know what, we have had enough. I think it's our time to leave, and that's how the business is. We'll see how this one go. In very, very interesting times ahead. One of them are bringing on coach from foreign. No, Moby do it a lot, even though they haven't gotten any result from it as yet. But they have been doing it for quite a while now. Yo, go on, people. Big up on yourself. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Oh, let me just run this promo. You don't know, so I have to run a promo for the World Cup qualifiers campaign. June 6th, Thursday. People, come out early for the pre-game show. Listen to this.
Kickoff of our World Cup 26 campaign. Come and see the RBGSC, the Reggae Boyz Girls Support Club, sponsored by the Reggae Boyz community, starting at 3 p.m. Come for the music vibes, come for the football juggling, come for the drone, come and see RBGSC band marching and playing. Come and see more. Special giveaway for the kids. See you there.
All right, so see you there, people. Big up on yourself, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, people. This one is really, really interesting to me personally. It's quite interesting, and I would actually love to get some more information on it surrounding the reason why they would have opted to do they would have opted to my apologies. They would have opted to make that decision in moving on. It's just an interesting talking point for me, I have to say. I would really, really love to find or get more information surrounding that. But as I said, it's the nature of the game, it's the nature of the sport. Don't know anything already. So hit the like button, Mr. Goal. Ruthless business. If you want to be champions, if you want to be good at what you do, you have to be ruthless. That's just how the sporting world operates. The most ruthless set of teams, normally I want them more gain, the more success. I'll just say go. Anyways, people, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really, really appreciate it. Remember, the link is in the comment section and also the description of the video. If you can help us grow the channel as well by becoming a member of the channel. So for the link, you can buy us a coffee. Big up on yourself, people. MG Sports TV. See you guys again. Until next time. We're out. God bless. Boom. Enjoy your rest of the day. Don't know. I appreciate the massive, massive support I want to give it over the years. Now I mean, we always out there churning out content for you guys. Big up!